How to score full marks in 8-mark analysis questions in AS Business Paper 2. Analysis questions are 16% of your final grade in AS, but you've only got 12 minutes to complete each one. So you have to make absolutely sure your technique is perfect to secure all of the marks. Fortunately for us, there's a tried and tested formula for success in these 8-mark analysis questions, which you can start using today to immediately start improving your grades. Cambridge Business Essentials boosts your business learning to the next level. If it's your first time here, make sure you subscribe to stay updated. This guide is part of a how-to guide with step-by-step instructions on how to score full marks in 8-mark analysis questions. Click on the link in the description or go direct to CAIEbusiness.com where you can find a treasure trove of resources to guide you to success in Cambridge Business exams. So let's get started. Structure in any 8-marker is the same. You'll be asked to analyse 2 ways or factors or methods. So you must build 2 chains of analysis with a knowledge point applied to the business in the case study, then followed by analysis and developed analysis. Check out the Chain of Analysis Essential Guide to find further detail. There's no need for evaluation, an introduction or a conclusion. 2 chains of analysis, that's it. Reread the case study. This question is from summer 2019 and asks for analysis of primary and secondary methods of market research that a marketing director can use to develop a new variety of vegetable chips. Vegetable chips, I hear you cry. What kind of chip company is this? Well, we found out from the case study that it is the imaginatively titled Too Tasty, who produce beetroot, potato, carrot and parsnip chips. Too tasty. Parsnips. But the most important bit we need to focus on is the market research. The marketing director has been asked to explore the different varieties of chip that would be targeted at parents as a lunchtime snack for their children. Even if you do read the case study at the start, it's best to go back over and find the details which are relevant to this question. Without context, you can only access 4 out of the 8 marks. So now we need to build a chain of analysis, starting with the knowledge point. You've got a huge choice of methods of primary research: survey, questionnaire, focus groups, observation and testing. What's absolutely crucial is choosing one way you can apply to the case study, Too Tasty. I've gone for a questionnaire as this will be the most straightforward to apply to the case study and analyse further. The next step in the chain of analysis is adding application. So we link to the case study, we know the target customer are parents, so we use this information and apply to vegetable chips. Next we get to analysis. We then analyse by showing the impact of this method on the market research. Could give TT useful information about the new product so they can gain high sales. The final step in this chain of analysis and finishing this method of primary research is developed analysis, essentially taking your analysis that one step further. Use a connective. This will lead to. Furthermore, or however, if you want to give a downside of questionnaires. They are expensive, so this could increase costs. Believe it or not, with that chain of analysis complete, we have secured 6 out of 8 marks. But let's not get carried away and secure the final 2 marks. We complete the same process with a secondary method of research. Research competitors' website to see what flavours of vegetable chips TT's competition are selling. This will be a cheap way of finding out secondary data which lowers the cost of research. However, it won't tell TT about the flavours which are in development and not yet launched by the competitor. So it may be of limited use in the future. You can find the full step-by-step guide on these questions and loads of other solutions and resources at CAIEbusiness.com. If you're watching In the future, in 2021, you'll also be able to check out the online interactive AS business courses. Hello to everyone in 2021. I bet you're glad it's not 2020 anymore. If you want to check out a guide to chains of analysis at AS level, click up here and click down here for the AS Paper 2 Survival Guide. Thank you. See you next time.